If you need to cancel your Lucidchart subscription, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Whether you're canceling a free trial or a paid subscription, Lucidchart provides a straightforward method to manage your account. Accessing account settings. Login. Visit Lucidchart and log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to account settings. Click on your profile icon and select account settings from the drop-down menu. Canceling the subscription. Subscription tab. In the account settings page, navigate to the billing and plans or subscription tab. Cancel subscription. Look for an option to manage or cancel your subscription. Depending on your plan, this may be found under Manage Plan or Subscription settings. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to cancel your subscription. Lucidchart may provide you with a summary of your remaining benefits and confirmation of the cancellation. Free plan access. After cancellation, once your subscription is cancelled, you will be moved to the free plan, which offers limited features compared to the paid subscription. You can continue using Lucidchart with basic functionality until the subscription ends. Support. Contact support. If you encounter any issues during the cancellation process, reach out to Lucidchart support through their website or in-app support feature for assistance.